So ito ngayon ang aking linuluto para sa aming tanghalian. Ginataang shrimps at tahong na may kalabasa at asparagus. So here we go guys. We're going to eat the ginataang shrimps and tahong. And I'm gonna eat it with this.
Hey, eat with Harry.
Yep, I'm gonna eat. Hello guys!
Hello
Samahan niyo
guys,
kami
we're
kumain.
gonna and we're gonna eat.
Yeah, we're gonna eat. So,
And
do
we
you know,
have this.
what do you call that?
This is
Mussels.
This is the muscle inside
In
the
Tagalog, it's a tahong.
at home. And
Yeah.
this is bread. This is
Sarap. So,
we have this.
okay, I'm gonna tell them. So, this guys
This dice.
is a ginataang tahong at hipon na may kalabasa.
Butter. So we have the chicken.
Yep.
And we have the chicken.
That's not chicken. That is a mussels.
That is the muscle inside the chin of the crab.
But that's not a crab though. It's a tahong.
Tahong. This is the muscles.
So, I'm glad hindi siya allergic, guys.
I want potatoes.
Potatoes, there it is. Here we go. She's gonna eat that. And I'll give her a... Oops. It drips. The soup drips down.
Where's you drip down?
Natulo yung sabaw. Sarap. So, nagka-crave ako nito. Grabe. So, ito, frozen siya. Wala akong mabili na fresh. So, frozen din yung tahong na nabili ko. Dito lang sa local market namin. So, wala akong sitaw. Ang binili ko ay
She got the fish.
asparagus, guys. So, masarap siya. If you can see, this is what it looks like. Kinat ko lang siya ng first, okay? Okay.
More Jesus favorite food. Yes, that's Bubba. Wait. Amen.
Amen. Thank you. Yep. Okay, now we can eat. Sarap. Good girl. Namimiss ko na yung island life sa Philippines.
So Philippines, the turn.
Sa Philippines, marami kaming seafoods. Araw-araw, fresh seafoods. Dito lang ako na, ano,
Oh no.
dito ko na-miss ang seafood. It's your kalabasa.
Already have it there.
Okay, kalabasa.
How about that?
Masarap.
Masarap.
Anong ulam nyo, guys? Sarap. Ang mahal dito ng ano,
How
No.
about no?
seafoods. Kapag fresh, tapos may nag-drive ka pa ng pagkalayo-layo para makapunta ka sa seaside. Do you like it? Puti yan siya, hindi yan mapili sa mga Filipino foods na linuluto ko. Pero yung asawa ko, ay, pili lang ang mga foods na gusto niya sa Filipino recipes or yung mga pagkain Pinoy. Good girl. Yan, my little Filipina. Little Filipina? American.
American.
But you love Filipino foods, yeah? Good girl. Sit down.
This is a picture of the house with American.
Yeah, that's American flag.
This is American flag playing on the house.
Yeah, she's talking about our placemat. May nakalagay na flag. So, Kami lang dalawa today because Daddy is where?
At the wolf.
Yeah, at work.
At work.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy's buying some food at the Home Depot.
No, he's not buying anything in the Home Depot today.
Daddy eating American food. So we can. I just drank water and this is American food. This is
Tell them what did we do today before we eat.
we eat and then we go out.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds like the champ.
We clean first. Yeah.
Mhm.
So guys, to tahong. Frozen siya. Katulad din ng shrimp. Cook na. So, I mean, okay naman lasa. Walang... Ang pinagkaiba lang... ang pinagkaiba lang is malasahan mo na hindi talaga siya fresh. Kasi hindi yung linamnam. Hindi kagaya ng sa fresh caught. Pero good enough na din kung gusto mo talaga, kung nag-crave ka talaga kumain ng seafoods. You want more soup?
I already have it there.
Okay. Do you like rice
Mhm.
and soup?
Mhm.
I'm gonna put a little bit of the shrimps in there.
There's a chicken shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Buti hindi ito inobserve ko muna siya dati na if
And
may
yung Yahtzee.
if may reaction kung kakain siya ng mga seafood. So, little by little, binibigyan ko siya. So, inobserve ko kung ano yung reaction sa kanya. If
I am
there's any,
so pretty.
yeah, if you're so, kung mayroon siyang mga rashes or namumula ba yung kanyang pisngi or hindi ba siya nangangati at saka hindi makahinga. So, yan. So far naman, kagaya ko rin siya na unlimited seafoods. Kaya kong kainin ng walang allergic reaction. Allergic ako, manok. I mean, I can eat a little bit of chicken or eggs.
Mhm.
Pero pag nasobrahan,
Give me more.
ayan ang kati-kati tapos may mga
You have there.
rashes. That's the skin. You put them here. Here, I'll give you more. But that's the skin. You can eat that. Put them here in the extra plate that we put all our mess. Sit down. It's okay. Very good. You sit down. Good girl. Harap. Well, tell us guys, ano yung mga pagkain na mimiss nyo ngayong lockdown na naman dyan sa Philippines, or if you guys are here in America din, tell us what you cook most of the time, or yung mga namimiss nyo na comfort food back home. So ako talaga every day or every other day magluto talaga ako ng mga Filipino foods. Kasi nga, yun naman yung nakasanayan natin. So, bukas guys, ang lulutuin ko naman ay, meron na talaga akong naka-prepare. Parang, in a week, meron na akong schedule kung ano yung mga lulutuin ko para hindi masayang yung mga vegetables or meat na nasa refrigerator namin. So, tomorrow, I'm planning to make tinagang baka. Yung muscles nila dito, ewan ko, dahil ba siguro luto na ito, kulay itim na siya. Or itim yung kulay, sa atin green. It's your squash, please. And then yung asparagus. Ang sarap sa naginataan yung asparagus. Namimiss ko rin yung malunggay, sobra. Dito sa state, mahirap magpag-grow dito ng malunggay. So, ayun. Alternative ko is yung spinach. Yung din ng tubig.
Yan, enough tubig.
What is tubig?
Water.
It is water. Naturuan ko yan siya ng Tagalog.
What juice?
Yeah. So, anong Tagalog ng hands? Ang Tagalog of the hands. Tell them.
Kamay, kamay.
And then, how about your mouth?
Mouth is
Big?
nipping.
No. Big?
Big.
Be big.
And
Teeth is?
big.
How about your teeth?
Teeth is nipping.
How about your tongue?
Tanatira.
Good job. How about your nose?
Iwan.
How about your eyes?
Eyes is mata.
How about your hair?
His boho.
Very good. How about your knees?
He's too hard.
Very good. How about your foot?
What is
Pa?
Paha? Yay!
Good girl. How about your ears?
Ears is tira.
Te?
Na.
Tenga. Improvise lang tayo ng mga luto. This is just done. Okay, sit down. You say bye-bye to them.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching this
Thanks for
video.
watching this video. I will subscribe
Yeah,
into
subscribe.
the channel.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, guys. And have a wonderful day.
Oh, so sweet. Aw.
Bye.
Bye-bye.